Yo, what up everybody? So it's time to go ahead and get that permit, right? Now, if you do what I'm recommending here, you will pass your written test the first time. What I'm asking you to do, it works, you're gonna be successful. So, step number one, check if your state offers online motorcycle permit testing or if you gotta take it in person. Number one, you're gonna check and see if the DMV near you, so if you're in Jersey, you're in Texas, you're in Florida, wherever you are, you're gonna go onto your DMV website just like this. Check it out, we're gonna Google it real quick, and we're gonna see if they offer for us to take the written test online or not, okay? If we could take it online, go ahead and schedule it now. Schedule it today, that's your first assignment. Schedule it today. Step number two, download the DMV Genie app and select your state. There's 3 different ways you could get there. Number one, you can get there from your web browser on like your iPad or your computer or whatever. Or the other 2 ways you can get there is you can go to the Google Play Store if you have an Android, download it, all right, just like this. Or if you have an Apple, iPhone, you can go to the iOS store and download it. Now, step number 3, use the app to get access to your state motorcycle DMV motorcycle manual, or download your manual directly from your state DMV, whichever one you can do. Then you're gonna study and practice in the app between 10 to 20 minutes per day until your test is taken. You're also gonna study your DMV handbook, your DMV manual for motorcycles, 5 to 10 minutes per day until your test is taken. You're gonna pass a practice test 2 to 3 times in the DMV Genie app. Then you're gonna take your test online or in person. You're gonna kill it, and then you're gonna hit me up and let me know that you were successful. That's it. All right, get that done, and let's keep moving. Good job on this training.